It's recording. Okay. The pups are now 6 weeks.
6 weeks and 2 days.
In 2 days. So Friday we'll be going to the vet with them and getting all their shots and dewormed and everything. They have been dewormed once already. So they're really doing well, beating up the toys and each other. So time is coming for them to leave soon.
Leave the nest?
So, yeah, they want to go out now. But it's a little rainy out there today, so we don't want you to get all wet. Beautiful day though, only 23 today, so that's pretty good. Anyway, just making this a quick little video. Alright, yeah, I know. That's it for now.